We have this hiring alert section in our each sessions, and there we discuss all the details of that hiring notifications. What are the criteria? What are the profile? What are the skill sets they are looking? So don't forget to check our comment sections for the apply link. Get your link from there and do apply for the related one you are looking for. For today's hiring alert sections, we have profile to discuss is the data analyst, and the experience they are looking in the candidate is 1+ year, and the eligibility is you should be a bachelor degree holder in computer science. It might be your bachelor of engineering or might be the uh, BTech, and the skill sets they are requiring is the Python and SQL and Excel as well, and you need to also be aware of data pipeline and warehouses as well. Expected salary we can expect between 6.6 to 9.4 LPA, although they have not officially disclosed it, but you can expect this range at least. Okay, so we will be continuing our that AZ 900 certification questions answer sessions, and uh, I'll I'll covering that questions today as well. The newcomers who have not gone through our sessions or our earlier sessions, so it will be our 10 minutes a day strategy for getting that certification clear. So uh, uh, cover our other content and cover our e-session so that you can clear your certifications. The question we have to discuss is the first one. You have several virtual machines and Azure subscriptions. You create a new subscriptions. So what you can do, like from the below mentions options. So the only correct one is the virtual machines can be moved to the new subscription. That is the only thing we can do. Yeah, the another is you need to purchase a third-party virtual security appliance. So what should you use? The options will be the Azure Marketplace. So only using the Azure Marketplace, you can use your or install your third-party virtual security applications or appliance. Another questions we have, you have a drop down options. You need to select the matching options from there. So what is the thing which is a highly secure IoT solutions that includes a microcontroller unit and a customized Linux operating system. So that is Azure Sphere. You need to ensure that the service will be available if a data center fails. So in this case, you need to select availability zones as the right answer. Your company has an Azure subscription that contains resources in several regions. You need to ensure that administrators can only create resources in those regions. What should you use? So it will be an Azure policy, which will prohibit the rules to be exploited, so that you cannot be able to create virtual machines or anything else other than that reason. Okay, we have another that drop down options. So an Azure region is which contain one or more data centers that are connected by using a low latency network. Select the answer that are correctly complete these sentences. You can use the Azure file sync agent to sync on-premise data on Azure. It's file share which can do this. Okay, so what is the function of a site-to-site VPN? So it provides a connection from an on-premise VPN device to an Azure VPN gateway. Another is we have some drop-down options. So we will continue on the answers only. So infrastructure as a service, sorry, that platform as a service is the like Azure App Service is the example of platform as a service. Azure virtual machines are example of infrastructure as a service, and Microsoft Dynamic 365 is an example of software as a service. So another questions we have that we need to select the appropriate options from them. So a cloud-based file server. So infrastructure as a service is a cloud-based file server. Software as a service. It is a cloud-based accounting system. Is the example for that. A cloud-based service from custom apps are example of platform as a service. Yeah. So we have covered today's questions for the e-certifications. So do check our other content as well. We have that similar stuff, our hiring alert sections and questions answer for the certifications. So do check that and do subscribe to us. Thank you.